Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to start class 10th Information Technology. The code is 402. In the subject, there are two parts. Part A, Employability Skills. Part B, Vocational Skills. In Part A, Employability Skills, there are 5 units. And in Vocational Skills, there are 6 units. So, today I am going to start Part B, Vocational Skills, Unit 1, Web Applications, Session 2, Networking Fundamentals. So, let's get started. Students, so let us start Session 2, Networking Fundamentals. In Class 8, you have already studied networking, right? You all are aware with networks. So, what is network? A network is a group of devices linked or connected with one another. In the figure shown, you can see that number of devices are connected to each other. Students, now the question arises, why do we need network? Because networks, 1. Network breaks the barriers of distance, cost and time. Second, it is very cost effective as compared to telephone networks. Third, all types of data, viz. Text, audio, video, pictures, graphics, etc. can be transmitted through it. Students, we will now see some advantages of networks. First is sharing resources. We can share resources means we can share hardware devices like printers, scanners, or storage devices such as hard drives. If computers are connected to each other means we can share one printer among all the computers. This means it helps in reducing the cost and simultaneously it saves the money, right? Students, in this figure, we can see a resource, that is the printer, shared by all these computers. The second advantage is sharing storage. Students who are able to access files from any machines on the network. The third advantage is share software. We can install any software centrally, means we can use number of copies of software on each machine. That means we need not to buy license for every machine for the same software. Students, since we can share hardware, software and storage, this results in cost saving. The fourth advantage is improved communication. Messages can be sent through internet like email. This provides an inexpensive mode for easier communication. Students like advantages of network. There are few disadvantages of networks also. 1. Need specialist. For the network, you may need a specialist staff to run the network. A person just having basic skills cannot do this job. The second disadvantage is if the networks are badly managed, services can become unusable and productivity fails. The third disadvantage is that if the computer's main server breaks down, it may be impossible to carry out any work. People become reliant on the communications. If these fail, it can cause havoc. The fourth one is the file security. It is very important and we have to protect it from viruses also. A virus infection in one computer may spread to all the computers on the network. Right? Students, now let us discuss about the network architecture. What is a network architecture? It means it is an overall design of a computer hardware and their functional organization and configuration. As can be seen from the figure, there are two types of network architecture. 1. Peer-to-peer architecture. Second, client-server architecture. Now, what is peer-to-peer architecture? Peer means equal and therefore peer-to-peer network. Each computer or node is equal to other computers in terms of the resources that it can access and share. It treats all devices as having equal capabilities as shown in the figure. Here, each computer has equal responsibility for providing data. Now, the second one is client-server architecture. In this network, there is a powerful central computer which has more resources than the other computers connected to the network. This central computer is known as the server and the other computers are known as clients or nodes or workstation, as can be seen in this figure. The server provides all the information and resources to the client as per its request. Students, what are the different types of computer networks? It can be classified according to its size, capabilities, and distances covered. So, the type of network is defined as the size, capabilities, and the distance it covers. As can be seen from the figure, the types of the computer network can be classified as personal area network, then local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. These are the 4 types of networks we are going to discuss. Now, students, what is personal area network? It is a computer network used for data transmission amongst devices such as computers, telephones, tablets, printers, etc. that are located close to a single user. The reach of a personal area network is a few meters within a room. Example, a hotspot. You can see it from the figure, a PC giving access to a printer, mobile, camera, and several other devices. Now moving further, local area network. This is a small computer network. This type of a network is used for an office, a building, or a factory, etc. The key feature of a local area network is to serve its users in resource sharing. The hardware as well as software can be shared through LANs. As seen from the figure, local area network users can share printer, modems, information, programs, etc. Now we will see the metropolitan area network. This network spreads over a city. Cable TV network that spreads over a city is an example of a metropolitan area network. Typically, a metropolitan area network covers an area between 5 and 50 kilometers. Students, now come to the last topic, that is wide area network. The networks spread across countries are known as wide area network. We can say it can be a group of LANs that are spread across several locations and connected together to look like one big LAN. The example of wide area network is Internet. Students, this was all about the network and its types. In the next video, we will see the another topic. Up till then, bye and take care, students.